only 6 electronic components you need to make this circuit or module. In my previous video I show you from AliExpress that you can buy that module for $1, but using these 6 electronic components you can make it at home. Let's start today's project. This is infrared module. You can buy it from online and cost around $1 or $2, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can make it using 6 electronic components. Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today DIY project is making a simple infrared sensor circuit or flame detector sensor using these electronic components. I'm using a MOSFET ERF-Z44 and you need to use this MOSFET. I try with NPN transistor, it's very difficult and complicated. One LED, one resistor for the LED, one 5-volt buzzer, active buzzer, one, this is crucial electronic component, it's infrared LED, and one 4.7 mega ohm resistor. Let's build the circuit. First I'm gonna solder the 4.7 mega ohm resistor, and it's soldered between gate and source of the MOSFET, and it's going like this. Okay. Pay attention that the infrared diode, the polarity need to be like this. The positive go on the gate and the negative leg of the diode go on the positive. Remember that. This is the last electronic component, the resistor for the LED, and I'm ready. Let's try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos almost every day. Also, you can watch this electronic insect how I made it. Just visit the link in description. Thank you. Yes, the circuit works on 5 volts. Here you connect positive, and here on the source of the MOSFET you connect negative 5 volts or ground. Let's do it this way. Okay. And first I'm gonna try it with testing the remote control. Yes. Working great. And now the flame. Working. What? How is this possible? This infrared LED maybe is magical. Look, I'm not holding the lighter in front of the LED. Behind. Sorry, how is that possible? He is detecting everywhere. Now I light 1 meter from the circuit. This is amazing. How is that possible? I can't explain myself. If you know why, please comment in below and tell me what you think. Alright. This infrared sensor circuit works very well. And look, it's not detecting nothing, any movement, but the infrared light from the lighter, it can be detected. Whoa, this is super cool. By the way, I have a bunch of these infrared LEDs. I bought it from online. $3, 100 pieces. And here it is, the circuit diagram. If you want to take it, just pause the video and take a screenshot on your mobile phone. As I said, you need only 6 electronic components: the MOSFET, 4.7 megohm resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor for the LED, 1 active buzzer 5 volts, and 1 infrared LED. That's it. That was all for today. Very simple infrared sensor circuit. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!